Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I am going to be unpacking my new ring light with you all. I got this from ALIEXPRESS. Also guys, I got my eyebrows waxed today. It's been 3 months. I had it waxed by this African lady, and yeah, my shit is thin as fuck. Like, she really fucked my shit up. I'm not happy. I'm definitely not happy. So I got this from ALIEXPRESS for $34.22, and then they charged me yeah, I'm on low she. They charged me $8.24 for shipping. Yo, like, I'm really mad about this, but hey, the ring light is here. So let's see what it's all about. So I just want to walk you guys through my thought process while I was shopping for a ring light. At first I wanted to get it from Amazon, because come on now, Amazon, like Amazon 2-day shipping, Amazon 2-day shipping, Amazon 2, like, come on. But after thinking about it, after thinking about it some more, I thought that it wasn't a good idea to get one from Amazon because I'm broke. So I decided to get one from ALIEXPRESS, which was $34.22, like I said earlier. So my goal was to get a ring light that has a phone holder and a camera holder, as well as a tripod, obviously. Because eventually I do plan on getting a camera. Alright, let's hop into it. So when we open this, oh wait, you guys didn't even see that, but I just pulled this out of this box or whatever. Pull it out of the box. When you pull it out of the box, the first thing that you're gonna see is your delivery note, of course. Like, shut up, but whatever. Once you pull this out, you're gonna see that's in there. This is the ring light. Let me open my laptop because I don't have all the information. Okay, so basically this is 10 inches. Wow, look at that. Isn't this so beautiful? And then in this same box, it came with some other things. This, I don't know what that is, but yeah, it also came with this. Once again, I don't know what that is. And it also came with this. This, I do know what it is. This looks like a, y'all remember in high school when we all had the selfie stick? Yeah, this is the little thing that came with, this is the little thing that came with the selfie stick. You know, like, we were lit back then. Like, trust me, I had a whole selfie stick after school. I would attach pictures, but your girl was ugly back then. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. So Jesus. So yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, I forgot to mention, but everything basically came in this black bag. I had took this off earlier. This is a little weird. It's like ALIEXPRESS be wildin', y'all. Like, they really do be wildin'. Look at this. They taped the entire bag. light is that it came with a free tripod. Like, I'm not even kidding you. So this is the white light. This is what the white light looks like. This is what the natural light looks like. And then this is what the warm light looks like. Once again, white, natural, warm. Light, natural, and warm light. Once again, that's the warm light, white light, natural light, warm light. So warm, white, natural, warm. Alright guys, well that completes this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell button so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Ooh, is my shirt too bright? Ooh, maybe I should have one white. Let me see. Okay. Y'all will be fine. If anything, this reminds you that you will make heaven. But yeah. I'm a clown. Don't listen to me. Like, y'all should not listen to me. But kids. But yeah, let's hop right into this video because I'm talking way too much. Damn, that was 11 minutes.